Hi guys, I'm Jan from Lovells Adelaide and we're at the Greenfields location today, and we're going to talk about the Shop BT50 today and go through some of the mods we've got on it. Today it's in for Lovells 50mm lift kit, but before we get to that, we'll show you through some of the things we've done to the car already. So at the front here, first of all, we've got the Uneek Crawler Bar. This comes with full ADR compliant with two 16mm recovery points, handy to mount your winch hook onto when you're not using it. We've also got the 12,000 pound carbon winch fitted to it with a flip up number plate so you can access the winch when you need it. It also flips down when you're not using it. We've also fitted it with a Stedi 18.6mm light bar because we don't have enough room for big spotlights, and we thought this slim line would look a lot nicer. The lights on the bar are also fitted with a fog light and a indicator and parker assembly. They are all LED. And they're nice and bright for you at night. We've fitted it with a GME antenna. We're in the process of fitting a handheld unit inside. At the moment, while we've got the bar, we've put the antenna on in preparation for that. The guys at ROH Australia have supplied us with some ROH Crawler Wheels. They're 17x9 with a +12 offset. They've been wrapped in some Maxxis Razrs. They're the AT81 tyres. They're a good all-terrain tyre, so you can use them on-road and you can go away on your adventures and take them off-road full driving. The car's also fitted with a Safari Snorkel. This is plumbed up into the factory airbox and it's all sealed so it's watertight for when you're doing those water crossings. And not only is it suitable for water crossings, but because the ram head is up high, it gives you fresh, clean air when you're driving on those gravel and dirt roads. Up top here, we've also fitted a 41.5-inch Stedi Light Bar. It's a single row, just for that neat finish. We've also got it fitted to our Rola Titan tray. It's a 1500 by 1200 tray. Soon, we're going to replace the low mount brackets with a ridge mount style system, so it'll sit a little bit lower and it'll look nice and neat. When we fitted these light bars, we had to get some switching. Lightforce make switching that go into your factory blanks. We've opted to choose the one with two switches. That way you can power both of the switches on one blank rather than using multiple switches. In the back, we've fitted it with the ARB under rail tub liner. We fit these in so when you're using them for work or for play, you don't scratch up the paint. Also, it gives it a nice neat finish and it looks much nicer in my opinion. At the back here, we've got an X bar fitted to the back. It's not only a tow bar, but it has recovery points on it. They're rated. There's 3 of them in total. But the neat feature is they got this little flap here, and this is where you hide all of your sockets. You can fit Anderson plugs on this side also, but when you're not using it, you can pull it down and it looks nice and neat. Today we've got the car in to get a Lovells Lift Kit in it. We don't need a GVM because we're not carrying a lot of weight. They come with a factory eyebrow of a roughly 545 in the rear, 510 in the front. We expect about a 50mm increase over the standard height. As you might know, when you fit accessories to the front of the car, the factory suspension is set up to be comfortable and soft, so when you fit a bull bar and a winch and sometimes batteries, it'll cause the car to lower a bit in the front end. So fitting that heavy duty coil as well as lifting the car up gives it a nice aggressive appearance and it makes it better off-road. So the GVM on these are 3100 from factory and the GCM is 5950. Because we're only doing a lift kit, those numbers won't change, but it will raise the car the same as a GVM upgrade. We'll show you some of the processes of how we fit the lift kit, just a few takes, not the whole procedure, but just so you can get a rough idea what goes in and where it goes in. And then at the end of the video, we'll show you the results and what you get from a 2-inch lift kit from Lovells.